One of the many important things in making cartoon films is the variety of sound effects we use. These sound effects are put in after all the drawings are completed. They play a very important part in giving the story a feeling of life and action. Let me show you what I mean. Lights out, Woody.
Okay, boss.
Thanks, Woody. See how much we miss by not hearing sounds? Sound effects are indicated on the timing sheet by the director when he's planning a picture. Sometimes he may know exactly what he wants, and he marks it down. But other times, he may just put in some odd word to guide the sound man. Maybe it's a word like this: spring, or perhaps ka-chung, or in other spots it might be zip, or splat. Then it's up to our sound men to find the sound effects that will fit the action and the director's ideas. Sometimes we create new sound effects, and you might have fun trying these tricks. By crumpling cellophane, we get the crackling of a fire, the sound of a horse galloping is made with coconut shells. A balloon might give us squeaky sounds for doors or shoes. A pistol shot could be made by hitting a pad or a cushion with a stick. And slide whistles come in handy for many situations. Today, nearly all of our sound effects are on film. When a script calls for gunshots, running horses, or any sound you can think of, Gene looks in his index file to see what sounds he has in his library. He selects the film that has the sound he's looking for. Then he goes through the entire script and picks out the best sound effect for the action in the cartoon. When all the sound effects have been selected, he runs them on his moviola with the cartoon to see if the sound effects match the action. Now, just to show you what a difference sound effects make, I'm going to rerun the film I just showed you a little while ago. Lights out, Woody. Thanks, Woody. You see how the sound effects make the action more interesting?
They sure do.